The river that has traveled about 6,300 kilometers and cut through the heart of China. Once this river was a life-giving force, and sometimes the cause of terrible floods. But when people stood in front of this river, they did not just decide to control the river. They decided, we will turn the power of the river into electricity. And from that decision came a project whose size still amazes people today. The Three Gorges Dam, whose length is about 2.3 kilometers, its height is about 181 meters, and whose power generation capacity is 22,500 megawatts. China's Yangtze River. Not just a river, it is a river deeply intertwined with China's economy, agriculture, transportation, and civilization. But the Yangtze had a big problem: floods. Especially in the middle and lower Yangtze regions, severe floods have caused great damage to people's lives and property many times. In 1919, Sun Yat-sen put forward the idea of a large-scale water development project in the Three Gorges region of the Yangtze River. But implementing such a large-scale project required technology, finance, long-term planning, and political decisions. Finally, in 1992, China's National People's Congress approved the decision to build the Three Gorges project. Then began one of the largest infrastructure projects in modern history. For many years, the Three Gorges has been known as the largest hydropower station in the world. The project's average annual electricity generation over many years is about 88.2 billion kilowatt hours. This electricity is sent to different regions through China's vast power grid. And here, the main philosophy of the Three Gorges Dam is clear: to turn a river, the energy that could previously have caused floods, into part of the human energy system. But one question remains: where did all this water come from? This project has forced a large number of people to leave their ancestral homes and relocate elsewhere. According to various estimates, the total number of resettled people is more than 1.3 million. Just think, not one city, not two cities. A large population has had to leave their old lives and move to a new place. Some have lost their homes, some their farmlands. Some have lost their businesses. Some have lost a place where their families may have lived for generations. In the eyes of the Chinese government, this was the necessary cost of a large national development project. But to critics, it was a huge social cost of development. And the Three Gorges Dam poses an important question: how much change is acceptable for a country's development? However, the purpose of the Three Gorges Dam is not only electricity generation. Another important role of it is the Yangtze River is one of the most important transportation corridors in China. The shiplock system of the Three Gorges project has two 5-level continuous shiplock systems. Through this lock system, ships can be moved step by step over a height difference of about 113 meters. And there is a huge vertical ship lift. It can lift ships vertically up to about 113 meters. Its maximum ship capacity is about 3,000 tons. That is, a system has been created next to a huge dam, where water is generating electricity, and ships are also moving through the same infrastructure. The Three Gorges Dam is a major engineering achievement. the story of the Three Gorges is not completely black and white. This is a project where engineering success, economic benefit, environmental impact, and human displacement are all part of the same story.